Hello all, welcome again. This is J1939 session on manager. Okay, please subscribe to our channel if you did not subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button. And we saw in our previous video an overview of J1939 protocol stack and how it communicates with the CAN driver. So let's have a quick look at it. So this is how the overview looks like, and CAN driver J1939, and we have PGN handler and transport protocol, diagnostic, network management, timing. So now our topic is into J1939 manager layer in the protocol stack. We will initially look at initialization of J1939 manager, both generic way and the methods in it, and we'll go through manager configuration options available and then manager functions. This is how we go through with this article. So we already went through initialization in our previous video. This is a recall of the initialization. So this manager covers the initialization and control of protocol stack. It also manages the initialization of CAN interface via the CAN driver. See, protocol stack is initialized by calling two functions. One is J1939 underscore MGR init and J1939 underscore MGR start. Hope you recollect this. If you did not go through the previous video, please go through the previous video. So this is how we do it. So here afterwards I will not use the prefix J1939. Assume that if I am saying MGR init means that is J1939 underscore is the prefix over there. So here initialize the J1939 protocol stack, use ECU address and bitrate of 250k. Hope you recollect this. After calling MGR start, the protocol stack is running an address claiming message, that is ACM, is sent on CAN bus, that is identifier 18EEFF00H plus ECU address. Regarding this we'll look later. So a complete generic initialization of protocol inside the main function. How to do it? We will just go through it. Additional functions for the microcontroller and timer are provided by the microcontroller library, that is MCL, microcontrol library. They are shown for a better understanding of the following code example. Let's go through that code example. So here you see initialize the target. This is how we go with the complete generic initialization. So MC initialize the target CPU first, and then initialize the J1939 protocol stack by calling MGR init function, and initialize the timer resource on the target CPU by initializing timer init function and timer function init with the following parameters: timer event and timer time to ticks and timer control start, timer control start, and start the J1939 stack, and forever or while of one of the main loop of this embedded application. Check the result of J1939 manager call. If MGR process not equal to EJ1939 underscore ERR underscore reset, that means if it is not successful, manager process is not successful, do this, else release it. Okay, so this is how we do in a generic manner, generic initialization of J1939 protocol. So next we will see into the manager configuration options available. What are the manager configurations options available? So J1939 config.h contains definitions of the configuration of manager module. Please set the symbol to appropriate value in order to achieve the manager behavior. For detailed specification, please refer to the HTML documentation given to you. Okay, one is mgr init symbol. With this symbol, it is possible to switch the can message handler, that is message reception, between polling and IRQ method, interrupt request mode. In polling mode, the messages are read from the buffer during the main loop. The default mode is IRQ mode. Received can message or processed inside the can IRQ handler. Prior to changing this symbol, make sure that the CAN-PY driver supports the request method. This you need to take care. And then J1939 underscore TMR underscore init is the another symbol. With this symbol, it is possible to switch the timer function between the polling and IRQ mode. In polling mode, timer value is checked within the main loop. The default mode is IRQ mode. Here also the default mode is IRQ mode. The function TMR event given in a red here is called within the timer interrupt. Okay, so let's see what are all the manager functions available apart from this symbol. No? So the manager function prefixes with J1939 underscore mgr. So here afterwards I'll not read as repeatedly read as J1939 underscore mgr. I will straight away read from the function name or method name. So here are some fly off functions and the description of PDU reception timeout, event receive timeout function, and get address. This is to read actual ECU address, electronic control unit address setting. So mgr init initialize 19 protocol stack and CAN interface. And on bus off, CAN bus status change to bus off callback function. It is in J1939 underscore user.c. So then release to shut down protocol stack and CAN interface. So hope you recollect whatever we spoke about message router. No, there we might be recollect that 3 layers: application layer and CAN stack layer and the J1939 stack protocol layer and then CAN layer. So start J1939 using start method. So let's look into all these functions available one by one with what is the syntax for the function and how it behaves and what are the parameter it takes or return value type. Let's go with first event receive timeout. This function is called by J1939 protocol stack if a timeout of a receive PDU occurs. The parameter UWPGNV defines the parameter group number, that is PGN, of the PDU where the timeout occurred. Since the behavior of the function is application specific, implementation is available in J1939 underscore user.c and it takes the parameter UWGNV. So that is why the parameter is uint32 underscore t data type and returns nothing. That is why it is void. Okay, next function is mgr get address, manager get address. This function reads the actual ECU and here it takes no parameters and sets the addressing address of ECU. The code of this function has to be adapted to the target inside the same underscore user.c. Since the behavior of the function is application specific and it is available in the same .c file. So return type is ECU address. Let's get into the initialization of mgr manager, that is int which has these four parameters. One is u into ub can ifv and uint underscore t ub address v and uint 16 underscore t uw config v. These three parameters. So this initializes the protocol stack and must be called prior to any other function, which we saw in our overview. We already discussed about it while initializing. The function assigns the protocol stack to CAN interface given by ubcan ifv using the ECU address given by the ub address v. So two parameters we discussed. The third parameter is uw config v, which can have the following values. One is j1939 underscore conf underscore bitrate underscore 250k bytes and 500k bits per second. Sorry, it's bits per second. 250 kilobits per second and 500 kilobits per second, and fd is with respect to the flexi data of fast can fd mode is there, no, with that rate. So we can configure using these three any of these three parameters. That's why if you recollect the generic initialization, we might have used all these three in the very second second step of the algorithm. So please visit back this video and check. Okay, now we'll see a function of on-off bus. This function handles the bus off condition. The code of this function has adapted the specific target inside j1939 underscore user.c file. So since it is also a specific, it is available in the same .c file, and it takes no parameters and returns no parameters, hence void. Okay, then release function of manager, which shuts down the 1939 protocol stack. This function performs a shutdown of protocol stack, and parameters it takes nothing, but it returns on success ej1939 underscore err underscore none. So based upon this value, if you remember in our previous this thing, based upon that value we were checking the result of manager call. So please recollect it. Just that's why I went for a rewind. Fine. Then start function starts the protocol stack and addressing claiming ACM, that is address claiming message, where id equal to 18EEFF00H in this case plus ECU address is generated on CAN bus. On success, it also returns EJ1939 underscore error underscore none, and it takes no parameters, hence it returns int 8 underscore t type data type. Hope you got the rules, functions, and how to initialize a manager, or how to initialize j1939 protocol stack. So for in the next video we will be discussing on PGN, that is parameter group number, and other video will be followed with transport protocol, and later on diagnostics, and later on we'll go with the network management, and finally into the timing. Okay, so please subscribe to our channel for more updates and concepts. Thank you.